It's pretty funny stuff. Well, hi, I'm Justin Foss, and I'm sitting right, wait, there I am. We're going to take a few minutes here to talk a little bit more about screen direction and continuity. First thing is, let's talk about the basic sequence of just somebody sitting here watching TV.
This man is about to die.
Okay, so you see, this guy's getting chased. You see how he's always going left to right, left to right. Even right now, that camera is to my left side, and see, left to right, left to right. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. That's what happens to some people after Daryl Barton's critiques. All right, let's talk about positive action. Into frame, into frame. Here we go again. Into frame and out of frame. And again, here I go, into frame. And if you notice, well, you can't because you don't see the camera, but I do. It's always on my left. I'm always going left to right. Here I go, out of frame again. Oh, by the way, this is Clear Lake, Iowa. It's March. It's a balmy 30 degrees. Perfect weather. Even on a long shot, the camera needs to be to my left, the same side it's always been, even if you're zooming. That way, it always looks the same. Now here's a lesson Dave really wanted to stress. It's called backpedaling. It's when you, the camera, are following me, the subject. When you're walking backwards, you keep your feet at the same pace that mine are. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. We do it that way so that all the images stay together and it stays a lot steadier. Okay, so remember that 30 degrees I was talking about earlier? It's time to go back. So what do you do if you want to go back and you still got to keep continuity? First, you need a transition. That has to be a tight shot. Then from then, you still got to go from one side of the camera to the other. Continuity. Even though I've changed directions, you still want me going from one side of the lens to the other. And because I'm going the other way, it's the other side of the lens to the other. So, quick recap. The human eye can and does follow action, which means you need to have rock-solid continuity for everything to make sense. So that means, as easy as it may be, you can't just throw it away. So that concludes our lesson on continuity. As you see, the camera is still on my left side. But wait, a couple more quick lessons. First, we've been talking positive action all day. Well, two things. First, journalists don't work well in the cold. It's cold out here. So we're going to do negative action. That's going away from the camera. Oh, by the way, it makes an excellent closing shot going away. I'm going to go back in the house now and get in my magic transporter, and I'll see you guys back in the forum.